Reality TV star Mosomseleko has firmly dismissed claims that Uthando Nesithembu is scripted, emphasizing that the show remains a true reflection of his real polygamous family as Season 9 gets extended. Much to fans' excitement responding to ongoing speculation about a stage drama, Mseleko explained that the additional episodes will allow him and his wife, Macele Mayeni Mangwabe Makhumalo and Makwela, to share a deeper, more authentic aspects of their lives. While also highlighting how the show has transformed his personal journey and positioned his family as a cultural reference point for Isithembu in modern society, with recent episodes further reinforcing this reality through emotional and headline-making moments, including the introduction of his fifth wife, Samke Makwela, and their daughter, Methuli, whose name symbolizes lifting burdens after doubts about his ability to have more children, as well as the intense scene involving his daughter's name Seleko, who broke down in tears when questioned about her fourth child's paternity, all of which continue to fuel conversations and keep viewers invested in what Mseleko insists is unscripted real-life storytelling.